What's wrong, buddy? Some more? You want some more?
To verify that it followed me, but that has not been, and then they want to see records emailed to him. Is that okay?
Hi, handsome man. You sitting up?